Fourth chapter is Safety Maintenance and Risk Management in Caregiving. Section 4, Infection and Countermeasures. Infection and Countermeasures. There are 6 topics. 1. What is infection? 2. Types of pathogen. 3. Principle of infection countermeasures. 4. Types of infection routes. 5. Types of infection sources. 6. Prevention of infection. 1. What is infection? Infection is an invasion and multiplication of pathogens into body and cause various disease and symptoms. If you lose power of resistance, you will easily suffer from infection. 2. Types of pathogen. 1. Virus. 2. Bacteria. 3. Fungus. 4. Parasite. 3. Principle of infection countermeasures. 1. Remove infection sources. 2. Shut out infection routes. 3. Improve healing power to resist by resting well and taking nutrition enough. The principle of infection control. Don't bring in, don't bring out, and don't spread. In the nursing home, when you see the user with any symptom like fever, vomit, diarrhea, stomachache, eruption, and looks pale, you should report to nurse and doctor. It is very important to prevent infection disease as early as possible. Therefore, in the daily life, the caregiver should observe the user carefully and should notice any small symptom. Once you notice something unusual, share it with other staff. 4. Types of infection routes. 1. Droplet infection like influenza. 2. Airborne infection like tuberculosis. 3. Contagion infection like norovirus. 5. Types of infection sources. 1. Blood. 2. Bodily fluid. 3. Excrement like vomiting, feces. 6. Prevention of infection. One of the prevention of hospital infection is standard precautions. Standard precautions are a set of infection control practices used to prevent transmission of diseases that can be acquired by contact with blood, bodily fluid, excrement, skin, and mucous membranes. You should wear a glove, mask, and apron when you contact with the user's excrement and others. I recommend to watch this video about standard precaution. I put it in my playlist of lecture, or you can check it with this URL. Proper way of putting on mask. When you put on the mask, to cover from nose to chin. Proper way to change disposable glove. 1. Remove the glove inside out, and dirty side should be inside. 2. Discard the glove into the designated place. 3. Change the glove every action. I recommend to watch this video about proper way to change a disposable glove. I put it in my playlist of lecture, or you can click it with this URL. This video is also what I recommend about how to wash your hands. I put it in my playlist of lecture. Okay, you are done with fourth section in the chapter of Safety Maintenance and Risk Management in Caregiving, which is Infection and Countermeasures. Congratulations, you can get one step closer to be a good caregiver. See you next lesson.